I'm gonna cut plywood on the ground. Yeah, I know. I'm saying I'm cutting the plywood on the ground. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go. Free floating.
14 and a half.
14 and a half.
1, 2. Give me 2 right now.
2, 14 and a half. Adding the blocking for around the doorway. Can't leave this like that. Has to be framing underneath it. And I'll show you the rest of it here in a minute. Cut all the nails or screws out of the way. Insulation time.
I'm outside wall with outside wall. 2 of them. And you step on this now.
You can step right on it.
Yeah, this is my build.
We needed a place to break our plywood on something solid. Because you're not going to go room to room like that. You'll never be able to do it. Yes, solid. He's going to replace these after we get the flooring down. All I need it for is to get my exact measurements for my flooring to go above.
Just nice one.
$44 1/4.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. We'll get them other 2 down there, Paul, and clean up that bathroom a little bit. We'll have a good day. And
You didn't say nothing too serious.
I didn't say nothing.
What you talking to?
3 3/4. We put solid blocking down through here, so we got rid of the tongue. Although we could have probably figured it, you know. No, that's right, because we had to cut this tongue off, so there was no tongue. I'm sorry, no tongue at all. So we went ahead and cut that one off and filled that right in. Got solid blocking over here, so I put a small piece in there. This room will be finished. Yes, sir, finished. One day in the books. All right, guys. That was a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, no doubt.
Tomorrow, the bathroom, maybe some of the hallway. We'll see what happens. Bathroom's gonna take some finagling. It is a mess. It's a mess. We're removing all the insulation, all that garbage that's down there, and make it all new. So come back tomorrow for another day of rotten floors.